أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My name is Umar Farooq. My father name is Sher Afzal. I am reading grade 8 in Crescent School System. Today my presentation branches of physics. Oscillation and waves. The branch of physics which deal with the study of vibration, sound and waves is called oscillation and waves. Optics. The branch of physics which deal with the study of light and optical instrument is called optics. Atomic and nuclear physics. The branch of physics which deal with the study of structure of atom as well as the composition and nucleus and nuclear energy is called atomic and nuclear physics. Plasma physics. The branch of physics which deal with the study of ionized state of matter is called plasma physics.
My name is Namullah. I read in class grade A. My school name is the Crescent School System. Today my presentation is the branch of physics. In first branch of physics is mechanics. Mechanics, the branch of physics deals with the study of motion of objects is called mechanics. Kinematics, the branch of physics deals with the study of motion without force is called kinematics. Dynamics, the branch of physics deals with the study of motion with force is called dynamics. Electrophysics, the branch of physics deals with the study of charge is called electrophysics. Electrostatics, the branch of physics deals with the study of charge is called electrophysics. Electrodynamics, the branch of physics deals with the study of charge motion is called electrodynamics. Heat and thermal energy, the branch of physics deals with the study of heat, temperature and thermal energy is called heat and thermodynamics. Oscillation and waves, the branch of physics deals with the study of vibration, sound and waves is called oscillation and waves. Optics, the branch of physics deals with the study of light and optical instrument is called optics. Thank you.
My name is Fayaz Nir. I read in grade 8 at Crescent School System. Today is my topic in the physics branches. Today is my presentation in the physics branches. It was atomic and nuclear physics. The branch of physics which deal with the study of structure of atom, composition of nucleus and nuclear energy is called atomic and nuclear physics. Plasma physics. The branch of physics which deal with the study of ionized state matter is called plasma physics. Relativity. The branch of physics which deal with the study of speedy object and rate of motion is called relativity. Quantum physics. The branch of physics which deal with the study of discrete packet of energy is called quantum physics. Astrophysics. The branch of physics which deal with the study of heavenly objects like stars, planets, galaxies, etc. is called astrophysics.
My name is Imad. I read in class 8 in the Crescent School System. Today my presentation in the physics branches. Mechanics, the branch of physics which deal with the study of motion is called mechanics. Kinematics, the branch of mechanics which deal with the study of motion without force is called kinematics. Dynamics, the branch of mechanics which deal with the study of motion with force is called dynamics. Electrophysics, the branch of physics which deal with the study of charges is called electrophysics. Electrostatics, the branch of mechanics which deal with the study of charges at rest is called electrostatics. The electrodynamics, the branch of physics which deal with the study of charges at motion is called dynamics. Heat and thermodynamics, the branch of physics which deal with the study of heat and temperature and thermal energy is called heat and thermodynamics. Oscillation and waves, the branch of physics which deal with the study of vibration, sound and waves is called oscillation and waves. Optics, the branch of physics which deal with the study of light and optical instrument is called optics. Thank you.
My name is Mujibullah. I live in Gurula. I live in the Crescent School System. Today my presentation branches of physics. Mechanics, the branch of mechanics which deal with the study of motion of object is called mechanics. It having sub two branches. Kinematics, the branch of mechanics which deal with the study of motion without force is called kinematics. Dynamics, the branch of mechanics which deal with the study of motion motion with force is called dynamics. Electrophysics, the branch of physics which deal with the study of charge. It having sub two branches. Electrostatic, the branch of physics which deal with the study of charges at rest is called electrostatic. Electrodynamics, the branch of physics which deal with the study of motion, the study of charge at motion is called electrodynamics. Heat and thermodynamics, the branch of physics which deal with the study of heat, temperature and thermal energy is called heat and thermodynamics. Thank you.